Hey everyone, it is Tuesday, April 21st. How's everyone doing? So a couple of key points I want to keep making this week. One is if you haven't made your mortgage payment yet in April, either make it now, okay? They're there to collect. I was talking to someone yesterday. I said, did you make your mortgage payment yet? They said, no, I didn't think anybody would be at my bank because of all these shutdowns to collect my payment. No, they're there. They'll take your money. So get your mortgage payment paid. If you have the full monthly mortgage payment for April, make sure it gets paid right away. And now it's after the 15th, so you probably have to add a late fee unless you have an arrangement. The other point I want to make, unless you have an arrangement with your bank to not pay or to pay late or to pay less than the full amount, okay? So one is make your mortgage payments. If you can make them, make them. This is going to be the hardest bill to catch up on after everything starts moving again. So try to make that mortgage payment. If you can't make it, you have to call your bank in advance. And again, I've created a call log. I'll give you one if you want it, just let me know. Or take a piece of notebook paper, take a piece of paper and write down who you talk to, when you talk to them, and what they told you at your mortgage company. And keep those notes, okay? I don't want someone telling you, oh sure, don't make your payment in April, May, and June. And then you just not knowing, not remembering who you talked to. And then later they might say, no, we never told you that. You had to make your payments. Okay, so document every conversation you have or every email you have with your mortgage company. Make your payments when you can, if you can, at least partial. Maybe offer them a few $100s. That's money you won't have to pay later, okay? And if you get a letter or an email confirming the plan, save that, okay? Put it all in one place. You may need it later, all right? Pay your payments. Now, the other point I need to make is if you have any kind of foreclosure going on in Connecticut, if you had a foreclosure pending, a court case against you in Connecticut before this whole thing happened, the courts have been closed, but they're opening back up. Things are moving again. The banks are filing motions, the court is ruling on motions, and you, if you had a deadline in your case, a deadline called a law day or a foreclosure auction scheduled, it would have been moved to June 2nd or June 6th. That's not a day to show up in court. It's a deadline that you have to beat. You have to beat it by about a month. So we need to start talking now in order for you to beat that deadline. You can't just think the week before you can do something or pick up the phone then. We need to start talking now about a plan for how to beat the June 2nd or June 6th deadline in your case. And if you have any part of a foreclosure pending, if you're not at that point where you have a June 2nd or June 6th deadline, but you had mediation and it's been postponed, we still need to talk, okay? Because everything's going to open back up and you need to have a plan, and you might be able to use this time to your advantage. Okay, talk to your mortgage companies, pay those payments if you can, and keep an eye on your foreclosure case. We got to talk because that's all going to start waking up again. Talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.